Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, July the 31st, 2020, the last day of July. We have two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. There are also extra Sudokus in the additional of today's newspaper. I think 5 or 6, I do not know exactly, but we will start first with the Sudoku Light, and this Sudoku Light will be a number 1, 2, 5, 7. And before I start, I always count how many numbers are printed in the Sudoku. We have here 4 plus 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 4. 9 times 4 is 36. Yes. All right. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can use. How about the number? The number. Let me see the 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. I rather use another digit. All right, let's see. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, on the last column. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then. Stuck with the 6. Let's see with another digit. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then. Let me see. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. 2 boxes left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, all right. And then how about, yes, the 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. What a pity, what a pity. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the middle column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8 are used, I can see. Yes. And then 2 numbers left. Can I fill this? No. How about 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this last row for the number 6. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 1. 1 number left in this column for number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 number left in this second column for the number 3. 3 is missing, yes. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon with the Sudoku Heavy. So see you later, and bye bye for now.